500-year-old English oak. Purple heart. Yeah, this is going to be fun. To be about that long-ish. A little longer. There's the body. Now, let's make a beam. as deep as I'm going for some reason. Hello from the other side. I wonder what we're gonna do now. Purple heart. Purple heart. Yeah, wax. Wax on. Wax off. Polish it off. Polish it off. First we put the cutter in. Down to the depth we're looking for. Then we lock it down. Make sure those don't move. Then we can slide our beam on and get that bead right where we want it to be. Lock that down. And now we're ready to scratch. So the nice thing with this is it doesn't take very long, and you can really start to scratch out a bead precisely where you want it to be. You can push it, you can pull it. And just like that, got a really nice, beautiful bead right there. There you have it. A scratch stock, a tool that is just about as old as woodworking itself, comes in hundreds of different designs and styles and shapes, and just seriously a lot of fun. Now, a lot of you are going to be asking, what is it? What is it used for? How does it work? What is that little cutter in there? How is it made? I'm going to be answering all those questions and more on the other channel. We're doing a whole dedicated video to what is a scratch stock coming up in probably this coming Thursday. So stay tuned for that. Also, if you would actually like to see the how-to version where I talk through this and actually answer a lot of the questions about what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, what I'm thinking, and what was that stupid idea that I had, I have a whole second channel for that where I do most of the teaching, Wood by Wright How To. And on that channel, we actually do the teaching as opposed to the ASMR, just watch it and go. If you'd like to see that, there are links to those down below. As well as I made a very similar one of those almost 6 or 7 years ago when I first got started. If you want to see that video as well and see how much has changed over the years, kind of fun. So, scratch stock. It's one of those tools that is phenomenal anytime you need to add a little detail or you want to clean up larger details. It really, really comes in handy, and there's a lot of fun things you can do with the scratch stock that are relatively quick and simple. I hope you liked this video. If you have any other thoughts, comments, ideas, snide remarks, throw those down in the comments down below. I do read through all of them and I answer as many as I can get to. So thank you. That does mean a lot. I always love reading through the comments, and I get a lot of great ideas from people over the years who have you ever thought of this? Most of the time, yes, but sometimes no, and I like that. If you do put a comment down below, that does actually help out the channel, as well as hitting the like, share, subscribe. You know how that works. It really helps us get in front of more people, helps the channel to grow, and means quite a lot. As well as, you may notice a bunch of people scrolling over here on the side. They are the patrons on Patreon. Without patrons or members here on the channel, people who've clicked that little join button and become a member here, we wouldn't exist. We are completely sponsored by you, the viewer, so thank you for that. If you'd like to help out with Patreon or become a member here on YouTube, you can do that by clicking the little join button, or you can go down in the description and find out more about Patreon. We have special perks for both, and we do some behind the scenes videos and things like that. So I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. In the video industry, we have something called stock footage. It is that B-roll stuff that runs in the back when you just want a person smiling into the distance or a sunset. This scratches at.